Hello everyone. So we had finished the first question of exercise 3.6 in our previous videos and are continuing with the chapter of pair of linear equations in two variables. Second question says formulate the following problems as a pair of equations and hence find their solutions. First part, it says Ritu can row downstream 20 km in 2 hours and upstream 4 km in 2 hours. Find her speed of rowing in still water and the speed of the current. Let's solve it. So we have to assume the speed of the boat and the speed of the current or water. So let the speed of boat in still water be x kilometer per hour and the speed of current of water be y kilometer per hour. So as here they have given the time, so we will have to compare the timings. So now as we know, speed is equal to distance by time and therefore time is equal to distance by speed. So now we can say that downstream, so when it is going downstream, both the speeds are added, so it moves faster, right? So time would be equal to distance she has traveled 20 kilometers, so 20 kilometers and downstream, so speeds of the boat and the speed of the current will be added. So this is given as 2 hours. So now solving this equation, we have x plus y is equal to 20 by 2, so 10. So x plus y is equal to 10. First equation. Now in second condition, they are saying that she is going upstream 4 kilometers in 2 hours. So time is equal to distance is now 4 kilometers and speeds will be subtracted. So it will be slower, right? So difference of the speed. So x minus y is equal to 2. We have x minus y is equal to 4 by 2. So 2. So x minus y is equal to 2. Second equation. Now adding, I can add these two equations. So adding equation 1 and 2. So we have x plus y is equal to 10 and x minus y is equal to 2. This gets cancelled. So 2x is equal to 12. So x is equal to 6. So this is the speed of boat. Now let's find out y. So substituting the value of x in first equation. So we have x plus y is equal to 10. So y is equal to 10 minus 6. So y is equal to 4. So now I can write down the answer in the statement. So we have speed of boat in still water or she's rowing is 6 kilometer per hour and speed of current is 4 kilometer per hour. Second part, it says 2 women and 5 men can together finish an embroidery work in 4 days, while 3 women and 6 men can finish it in 3 days. Find the time taken by 1 woman alone to finish the work and also that taken by 1 man alone. So let the time taken by 1 woman be x days and the time taken by 1 man be Y days. One woman will do 1 by X part of the work in one day. So 2 women will do 2 by X part in one day. And 5 men will do 5 by Y part of the work in one day. So it is completed in 4 days. So by these two, in one day, 1/4 of the work will be done. Right? So this is the first equation. Secondly, they are saying 3 women and 6 men. So 3 women and 6 men, they finish it in 3 days. So that is equal to 1/3 of the work will be finished. So second equation. Now we have to reduce these equations to linear equation. Let 1 by X is equal to P and 1 by Y is equal to Q. So the first equation can be written as 2P plus 5Q is equal to 1 by 4. So this is the third equation. And second equation we can write down as 3P plus 6Q is equal to 1 by 3. Fourth equation. So we can use the substitution method. So 6Q is equal to 1 by 3 minus 3P. So 6Q is equal to 1 minus 9P by 3. So Q is equal to 1 minus 9P by 18. Now I'll substitute the value of Q in the third equation. So substituting the value of Q in third equation. 2P plus 5Q is equal to 1 by 4. So now 2P plus 5 into 1 minus 9P by 18 is equal to 1 by 4. So taking the LCM, 36P plus 5 minus 45P is equal to 18 by 4. Now here we have 2 9s 18, 2, 2, right? So 36 minus 45 is minus 9P is equal to 9 by 2 minus 5. So minus 9P is equal to 9 minus 10 by 2. So minus 9P is equal to minus half. So P is equal to minus 1 by 2 into minus 1 by 9. This gets cancelled. So P is equal to 1 by 18. Now let's find out Q. So substituting the value of P in Q is equal to 1 minus 9P by 18. So Q is equal to 1 minus 9 into 1 by 18 by 18. So this gets 1 and 2. So Q is equal to 1 minus half will give me half into 1 by 18. So Q is equal to 1 by 36. As we assumed as 1 by X is equal to P and we took 1 by Y is equal to Q. So 1 by X is equal to, as we had P as 1 by 18 and 1 by Y is equal to 1 by 36. So therefore X is equal to 18 and Y is equal to 36. Answer we can write down as the time taken by one woman alone is 18 hours and the time taken by one man alone is 36 hours. Third part, it says Ruhi travels 300 km to her home, partly by train and partly by bus. She takes 4 hours if she travels 60 km by train and remaining by bus. If she travels 100 km by train and the remaining by bus, she takes 10 minutes longer. Find the speed of the train and the bus separately. So let the speed of the train be x kilometer per hour and the speed of the bus be y kilometer per hour. As speed is equal to distance by time and time would be equal to distance by speed. So let's compare the time now. So she travels 60 kilometers by train. So 60 by x, that will be the time traveled by train. And the rest 300 minus 60, so 240 by y time. So she takes 4 hours to do that. So that is the first equation. Secondly, they are saying 100 kilometer by train. So we have 100 by x plus remaining will be 200 because total distance is 300 by y 10 minutes longer. So 4 plus 10 by 60, that will be in hours. So 4 1 by 6, 100 by x plus 200 by y is equal to 4 1 by 6. So 6 4 25 by 6. 25 common in all these. So 4 by x plus 8 by y is equal to 1 by 6. This is the second equation. Let 1 by x is equal to p and 1 by y is equal to q. Substituting in these, we have 60p plus 240q is equal to 4. Third equation. So from second equation, 4p plus 8q is equal to 1 by 6. Fourth equation. So we have to equate these equations. So let's multiply the fourth equation. So multiplying equation 4 by 15 because we want to make the coefficients of p same. So we'll get 60p plus 120q is equal to 15 by 6. That's the fifth equation. So now equating fourth and fifth equation, we get 60p plus 240q is equal to 4 and 60p plus 120q is equal to 15 by 6. So subtracting these equations, we get this gets cancelled. So I get 120q is equal to 4 minus 15 by 6. So 120q is equal to 24 minus 15 by 6. So q is equal to 9 by 6 into 120. So 3 times, 2 times and 3 40 times. So this is equal to 1 by 80. So q is equal to 1 by 80. Now substituting the value of q in fourth equation. So fourth equation is 4p plus 8q is equal to 1 by 6. So 4p plus 8 into 1 by 80 is equal to 1 by 6. So this and 10. So now 4p is equal to 1 by 6 minus 1 by 10. So 4p is equal to LCM here will be 30. 5 minus 3. So p is equal to 2 by 30 into 4. So 2. So this is equal to 1 by 60. So p is equal to 1 by 60. As 1 by x we took it as p, and 1 by y we took it as q. So 1 by x is equal to 1 by 60 and 1 by y is equal to 1 by 80. So x is equal to 60 and y is equal to 80. Now these are the speeds we assumed. So now let's write down the answer. So speed of the train is is 60 kilometer per hour, and the speed of the bus is 80 kilometer per hour. So we have finished the second question of exercise 3.6, as well as we have finished the exercise. So now we'll move to next exercise in our next video. So stay tuned and see you all.